Hello and welcome to another video with Liah. Today I'm going to be giving a brief overview of the life cycle of a plant, including an explanation of the alternation of generations. I really hope you enjoy this video.
Alright, so here on the screen I have my cycle, which I'm going to begin labeling. The alternation of generations means that for some of its life, the plant will be haploid, and another part of its life cycle in the diploid stage. So with two sets of its genetic information. So we can go ahead and divide this here. In this video, the top part here is going to be the diploid stage, okay? And we can represent this as 2n. The structure that is diploid is called the sporophyte. And below, we will have the haploid stage, okay? And we can represent this by n or 1n. They're both the same thing. And the structure for the haploid stage is called the gametophyte. Alright, so now let me start labeling this life cycle. Alright, so starting with the sporophyte is going to go through meiosis, which means that its genetic information inside the cell is going to go from diploid to haploid. So two sets of chromosomes to one set of chromosomes. Alright, and the result of a sporophyte going through meiosis is going to be spores. And these spores are going to go through mitosis. Okay. In mitosis, the ploidy stays the same, meaning that haploid spores will remain haploid. Okay. They will have one set of chromosomes. And as the spores go through mitosis, the gametophyte will produce haploid gametes. So you have gametes of the female and of the male. When these gametes from the male and female join, that process will be called fertilization. Notice that we have reached our other half of the life cycle. This means that we are going to be transitioning from haploid to diploid. Alright, so we have returned to diploid again. In slightly more mathematical terms, you can consider each gamete as one n, and when you put two 1n's together, you come out with 2n. Becoming 2n matches with our diploid term. And fertilization produces a zygote. So the zygote is a small sporophyte that will grow during mitosis. Remember that mitosis means that the ploidy will remain the same, which means the zygote, which is diploid, is going to remain 2n or diploid as it goes through mitosis. And that's just so it can grow into a larger sporophyte and eventually begin the cycle all over again. Alright, so that was the general life cycle of a plant, including an explanation of the alternation of generations.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, remember to subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time.